From raw steel to precision-engineered greenhouse systems, Prospiant manufactures the structures and equipment that power controlled environment agriculture across North America. Inside our manufacturing facilities in the US and Canada, skilled teams fabricate, weld, machine, and assemble custom greenhouse components built for strength, efficiency, and long-term performance. Every project combines advanced engineering, quality craftsmanship, and integrated automation systems designed to work seamlessly together. With more than 180 years of combined legacy experience through our heritage companies, Prospiant delivers world-class greenhouse manufacturing capabilities from concept to completion. Prospiant. We build the world's greatest places for plants.